everyone, friends! Today I'll show you how to link your Epic Games Marvel Rivals account to Steam. So as of March 1st, 2026, through the website itself, yeah. So if you go here and type Marvel Rivals, then go to account, yeah, go to connections, yeah. And here, as you see, there's no Steam, but that's for now, maybe it'll appear in the future. Right now you can only connect your account indirectly. To do this, go to Epic Games, click on Account, click on Settings. Here, click on Download Settings and copy this path. Then go to Steam, click Add Non-Steam Game, click Browse, paste this path here, select Marvel Rivals, and somewhere here you'll have an .exe file. For me it's in binaries Win. So select Marvel Rivals Launcher .exe and click Open and click Add Program. After that it'll appear in your Steam. There you go, just like that. And you can play, it'll just launch through Epic Games Marvel Rivals. There. That's it. You can also try going to the website. Here, scroll all the way down and click. Here, click Send a Message and write to them that you want to transfer your account and maybe they'll help you. That's all. This was channel name. Bye everyone.